The base 8 and the exponent 3, it will be 8 power 3 is exponential form. Exponential form here, it will be 8 power 3. Question 53, in a square side length x, the perimeter will be 4x. The perimeter and the area x times x, it will be x power 2. It's the area about square, okay? Side by side, or x power 2. Question 54, space are the values of that lies away the other values. We call what? The outlier. Outlier, we call this the values that lie away the other values. Lies away. We have the distance. We call it outlier. Okay, the outlier point, we called it lies. Outlier point lies away the other values. Question 55. Space is the middle values of the data. Middle, we called it the median. Question 56. Space, a derivative inverse of negative 6, it will be 6. 57. The derivative inverse of 0, it will be itself 0. Question 58. The least common multiplication between 5 and 7, it will be 35, their product. Space is the value of that occur most often. It will be what? The mood. Okay, we know it's the mood. The mood refers to the number which the most repeating or that occurs most often. We call this the mood. Okay, you must know this definition. Question 60. This question here, if 50 is the greatest number for data and the range equal 10, then the smallest number, we can find the smallest number by finding the difference between greatest number and the range. Okay, we can find the smallest here by subtract between two numbers. 50, the greatest number, and the range was 10. 50 minus 10, it will be 40. Okay, to find the smallest number, you must find the difference between the range and the greatest number. And if you won't find the range, you must find the difference between the greatest number and the smallest number. When you won't find the greatest number, you must add the smallest number to the range. Okay, then the number here, it will be 40. Question 61. Number negative 2.5 in the form e over b, we can write negative 2.5, it will be negative 25 over 10, and you can simplify it by divided by 5 numerator and numerator. 25 divided by 5 equal 5, 10 divided by 5 equal 2. The result will be negative 5 over 2. Question 62, the opposite number 50, it will be negative 50. 63, the integral which just before negative 9, it will be negative 10. Before, it's meaning subtract 1 from this number. Question 64. The outlier which comes just before, okay. Question 64 here is the greatest common factor of 5 and 7. It will be product between them to find this multiplication, but greatest common factor between 5 and 7, it will be 1, because 5 and 7, we called it relatively prime numbers. The highest common factor between them equal 1, because 5 and 7 can't divide by any numbers without 1. Question here 55. The outlier of these values here, we have 3 is the outliers. We have the way between 3 and all numbers on. So question 65, the outlier point here, it will be 3. Question 66, the mode of the values here, the mode which digits the most occur refers here repeating. The most repeating here was what? 3 repeating. Okay, 3. About this question 66, 3, it's the most repeating. Okay, question 67, the range, it will be the difference between two numbers. About 67, we have find the greatest number 11, subtract by smallest number here 3, the result will be 8. Question 68, if the range of the set value is 12, then the smallest value 8, then the largest. To find the largest number, you must add the smallest number and the range. Okay, to find the largest number, you must add 12 plus 8. You must add the range and the smallest number. Okay, the result will be 20. About question 68. Question 69. The sum of a group of values is 18 and the mean of this value 3. Then the number of this value. To find the number of this value, must divide the sum of the values divided by the mean. Okay, 18 divided by 3 equals 6. Why? Because, again, question 69. In this example, he tells us the mean equal 3. Okay, we know the rule. The mean equals sum of the values divided the number of the values. Okay, he gives us in this example the mean equal 3 and sum of all values here was 18, and we want to find the number of the values. 18 divided by 6 equals 3. Then the number of the values, it will be 6. Question 70. Here, the smallest positive integer, it will be 1. Question 71. The smallest non-negative, it will be 0. Question 72. The greatest non-positive integer, it will be 0. Okay, greatest non-positive integer, the smallest positive integer, it will be 1, and the smallest non-positive. Okay, you must change this word here. The greatest non-negative integer, it will be 0, and the smallest non-negative integer, it will be 0. Okay, you must change this word. Smallest and write greatest. The greatest non-negative integer is 0, and the smallest non-positive integer is 0. Okay, you must change this word by this word. Question 73. Type of data we have is statistical, determined by categorical and numerical. Type of data. Okay, 73. Type of data we have categorical and numerical. Question 74. What is the favorite school subject is non-statical, because he asked one students, and what is your favorite school subject? We have one only answer, so it will be non-statical. Non-statistical. Question 75. The greatest common factor of 8 and 9, it will be 1. Question 76. Least common multiplication of 8 and 9, it will be 8 times 9, it will be 72. Because 8 and 9, we called it relatively prime numbers. Then the least common multiplication between them, it will be 0 product. Question 77. We have 864 divided by 24. Use a long division. 864 is the dividend, and the divisor 24, right, 0. 86 divided by 24 equal, right here, 2, 3, 4. 4 gets, okay, times 3. 3 times 4, 12, 2 and the carry of 1. 3 times 2, 6 plus 1, 7. Then write 3 here, and 72. Finds the difference. 6 minus 2, it will be 4, and 1, 4. It will be what? 6. 4 times 6, 24, right? 4 and carry up 2. 2 times 6, 12 plus 2 equal 14. Then the result here, it will be 36. The quotient. Space multiple of all numbers, it will be 0. 0 is multiples of all numbers. Factor of all number, it will be 1. Question 80. The number of terms of the expression 6h plus 2d minus 3x, we have 3 terms here. Question 81. The constant in this expression, it will be 3. 3 here is a constant. Question 82. Absolute value of negative 5 plus 3, it will be 5 plus 3, it will be 8. Question 83. 83. The graph shows spread of data in each quarter. We called it box plot. Box plot, use it quarter. Okay. Question 83. use box plot. Question it was 83 and 84. Space data is written in the form of numbers. We have got numerical data. Okay, numerical data. Question 85. The types of pens preferred by your class students is what? It will be types to be categorical, because categorical contains of letters. Categorical. Question 86. The median of the following, we write here 7 lies in the middle. It will be 7. It's the median. Okay. 87. Absolute value of negative 18 times 0, it will be 0, because 0 times 18 equals 0. Question 88. The algebraic expression of a number less than 5, it's meaning 5 here, subtract by number x. Question 89. 89. The algebraic expression of a number less 5, it will be x minus 5. We have the difference between two questions. Question 90. The coefficient in the expression, coefficient here, negative 5. Negative 5 is a coefficient. Question 91. The product of 5 and a of a number t, 5t. The product between 5 and the number t will be 5t. It was question 91. Question 92. Twice the difference between a number and 6. Twice, meaning 2 outside. The difference between a number such as that x and 6. Next question, number 3. Simplify. Number 1, 6 power 2 plus 2 times 24 minus 9 divided by 3. 6 power 2 is 36, and 2 times 24 minus 9, 14 minus 9, it will be 5, and the right one, it will be 15, okay, divided by 3. And then 2 times 15, it will be 30, divided by 3. Parentheses first, exponent next, multiplication and division is the same step. From left hand side to right hand side, first come first serve. Addition, subtraction, from left hand side to right hand side, first come first serve. Then we can add the here 36, and the division between 10 will be 46. The result here will be 46. Okay, question number 2. We have here 8 minus 4 product by 6 divided the difference between 5 minus 3 all power 3. 8 subtract by 4 times 6 equal 24, divided by 5 minus 3, 2 power 3 equal 8, and then division 8 subtract by 24 divided by 8 equal 3. 8 minus 3, it will be 5. The result here will be 5. Question number 2. Muhammad has expounded. He put the books for 60 pounds. Write the algebraic expression of how much money with him now. Okay, Muhammad has X pounds, and he put the books from the total number x. The result will be x minus 60, because he has X pounds and he put a box for 60 pounds from X pounds. Then the remainder with him, x subtract by 60. Okay, next question, number 3. Represent negative 2 and 2 over 5 is the number line. It lies between negative 2 and negative 3 here, because negative 2 and 2 over 5, it will be negative 0.4. It's nearest to the half. Okay, this is the place of the number. Lies between negative 2 and negative 3 in the number line. Okay, this number here lies between two numbers. It's nearest to the middle. It's the middle. Okay, and this number here, negative 2.4. Next question, number 4. Represent the solution about this inequality. 5 greater than equal to x. Then we can write 5 and x less than or equal to 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 negative. We can draw the number line here and write all numbers here: 0, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, 4, negative 5, negative 6, and here is a positive 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. select 2, 5, 4, 3, 2, 2, negative inflated. Solution about this example. Okay. Next question. Write an equation using variables here. Equation when dependent. The result here equation add 1 and multiply by 2. Add 1 and multiply by 2. You can write y equal x plus 1 multiplication by 2. Okay, it's the rule here. It's the equation. And then draw the tables here. He add 1. Okay. Add 1 and multiply by 2. And substitute x by 12. Okay, in the next step you must put x equal 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Okay, we can write here x and y, substitute by 1 and 2, 3, and 4. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 times 2, 4, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 times 2 equals 6, put 3 plus 1, 4, 4 times 2 equal 8, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 1 equal 10, and then draw here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But this example is the image here 1 to 4 and 2 to 6. Here you can draw complete in your page here. Okay. Question number 6. Write a verbal phrase for each of the following. If plus 10 equal m, we can write here if more than 10 equals m, or 10 increased by f equals m. Letter A. F plus 10 equal m. Write f increased by 10 equals m. Okay. Letter B. B equal 5 minus k. Right, B equals 5 less k. 5 less k, or 5 k less than 5, or 5 increased by k, decreased by k. Okay. Question letter C. Twice n added to 8 equal a. We can write here twice n add to 8 equals a. Question 7. Complete the table. We have the equation y equal 3x minus 1. We have the table here, x and y. He give us 1, 3, 5, and 7. 1 times 3, 3 plus minus 1 equal 2. 3 times 3, 9, 9 plus minus 1 equal 8. 3 times 5, 15, minus 1 equal 14. 3 times 7, 21, minus 1, it will be 20. Question 8. Massa needed to earn at least 100 pounds daily to pay a mobile. Find 4 possible amounts that Massa needed to earn. Then write inequalities that represent this amount. At least 100 pounds, then the result will be a greater than, or write x greater than or equal to 100, such that she will have 100, 150, 200, 230, any number greater than or equal to 100. It's meaning at least. Question number 9. Judy paid 3,888 pounds to pay 24 candles. Find the price of each one. We can using division between two number 3,880 divided by 24, 3 less than 38 divided by 24, write 1 and write 24 here. 8 minus 4 equal 4. 3 minus 2, 1, drop 8. Separate digit by digit, write 24 times 6. Raised 2. 4 times 6 equal 24, write 4 and carry up 2. 2 times 6, 12 plus 2 equal 40. Then the result will be 144. The difference 8, and then drop 8 here. 4, sorry, 8 minus 4, it's 4, okay. 144. 8 minus 4, 4, and then drop 8. 48 divided by this number, it will be 2. 2 times 24, it will be 48, okay. Then the price, it will be what of each one? It will be 162 pounds. Okay, next question number 10. Find three rational numbers between 3.5 and 3.6. 3.5 and 3.6. You must put 0 here and put 0. The numbers will be 3.5 and 1, 3.5 and 2, 3.5 and 3. Okay. Question 11. Write an equation. Use the variables x and y, where x is independent, and using the rule multiply by 8. Then y equal 8x. It's the rule. When x equal half, then y will be 8 will reduct by half. Put x equal half. The result here will be 4. Question 12. Write in each verbal phrase of all here. Question letter A. M equals twice n increased by 20. Y equals the product of 8 and x added to 48. Question 13. When m equals 3, solve this equation. 9 plus this expression, 9 plus m power 2 in brackets, the difference between m power 2 and 3 divided by 2, write 9 plus m power 2, write m here equal 3, it will be 9 minus 3 divided by 2, it will be 9 plus 9 minus 3, 6 divided by 2, then write 9, 6 divided by 2 equal 3, then 9 plus 3, it will be 12. Okay, the result here, it will be 12 about this example. It was question number 13. Question 14. Rodina has 30 pounds. She will save 10 pounds daily. Write the algebraic expression, then evaluate how much money will she have after 1 week. Okay, the expression will be 30. Yeah, she has 30 and 10 daily. She has 10 pounds daily. Okay, we have all day is write this number x refers to the number of days. Okay, write d multiplication by n because she has now 30. Okay, how much money will she save after 1 week? We know 1 week equals 7 days. Then the number will be 30 plus 10 times 7, where she will has 30 plus 70, it will she will has 100 pounds. Okay, understood? It's the rule about the expression. She has now 30 Egyptian lira or 30 pounds, and she will save 10 pounds daily. Daily, it's meaning x refers to 1 day. 1 day, in each day she saved 10 pounds. But in the example, he want to find after 1 week. 1 week equals 7 days. Then put x equals 7. Then the result will be 100 pounds. Question 15. Write a verbal phrase of the following: y equal 3x plus 1. Okay, we can write here y equals 3 times x increased by 1. Y equals y equal 3 times x increased by 1. Okay, y equal 3 times or 3 product by or 3 times or 3 twice 3 times x added to 1. Question letter B. Y plus 5 equal x. We can write the sum of y and 5 equals y equals x. Okay, right here the sum of y and 5 is or equals x. Letter C. G equal h divided by 3 plus 12. We can write here J equals sum of, it will be sum of h divided by 3 and 12, the sum. of h divided by 3 and 12. Question 16. Write equation. 16, letter A. The equation multiply by 6, substitute if x equals 7. Okay, you can write the equation y equals 6x at in the example he tell us at x equal 7. At x equals 7, then y will be 6 times 7, it will be 42. Question letter B. The equation multiply by 2, y equal multiplication or multiply by 2, it will be 2x added to 3. Here is the equation. At x equal to, then y equal, put x equal to 2 times 2, 4, plus 3, then y here will be equal 7. The image here will be 7. Question 17. In this example, you want to find the median. Here the median was 13. Okay, 13 here. And the mode will be equal 13. And the range, the difference between greatest number here 17 and the smallest number 10 will be 7. Okay, understood? Next question 18. If the number of goals regressed by the malik of in 6 matches are 3, 2, 6, 6, 1, 6, find the mean, the median, the mode of the number. Okay, we can find the mean, the sum of all numbers divided by number here 3, 2, 6, 6, 1, 2, 4, 6. We have 6 numbers, and 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 6 11, plus 6 17, plus 1 18, 18 plus 6 24, 24 plus 6 divided by 6, it will be 4. It's the mean. And we can write the median. What is this number? It will be 6 plus 6 divided by 2. But we must arrange all the number here 1, 2, 3, 6, 6, 6. We have 6 and 3 divided by 2, it will be 4.5. It's the median. And the mode, which greatest number most repeating, it will be 6. It's the mode. Okay. Question 19. Rahma runs 3 kilometers on Saturday, 5 kilometers in Sunday, 4 kilometers in Monday, 4 kilometers in Tuesday, and 4 kilometers on Friday. Find the mean distance covered by Rahma. Okay, we can find the here the mean by add all the values divided by the number of them. 5 plus 4, we have 3, 4 again, and 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, you won't find the mean distance about this example. 9, 12, 16, 20, 20 divided by 5 equal 4. Okay, the mean here equal 4. Next question, we can find the maximum and the minimum. And okay, question letter A, we can find the maximum here, it will be 23. It's maximum. Okay, and letter B, minimum here 11. Letter C, the median here was 18. Letter D, the lower quartile here, it will be 13. Letter E, lower quartile, it will be 21. Okay, next question, solve each of the equation. X over 4 equals 3, then x here it will be 12. 12 divided by 4 equals 3. Letter B, 12x minus 5 equals 7, then 12x equal 7 plus 5, it will be 12. 12 divided by 12, it will be 1. The result here, it will be 1. Okay, next question here, what is the interval represent the most? The most here from 20 to 29 is the most. Okay, the most number of students. Question number 1, from this interval from 20 to 29. Question number 2, which interval has 3 students? Has 3 students from 10 to 19. Question 3, which intervals has number 3, how many students went to Paul at least 30 times last summer? Okay, we have here how many students went to a Paul at least 30 minutes. 30 minutes last summer. Okay, 30 minutes were here. 30 minutes, number of students, and we have the horizontal here, number of visits. At least 30 times. Oh, 30 times. Okay, 30 times at least. Last summer, 30 times. 30 times here from what? From 30 to 39. We have here 6. Okay. And we have 2. 6 plus 2, it will be 8. Okay. At least. This word, at least 30, it's meaning x greater than or equal to 30. From 30 to up, the image here 6 and 2. 6, the result 6 plus 2, it will be 8. Okay. It's meaning at least. Question number 4, how many students went to Paul less than 10 times the summer? Less than 10, it will be here number 5. Less than 10, such that x less than 10, here it will be what? It will be 5. The result here will be 5.